Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So in this video, we'll be talking about affiliate marketing. So before we start, intro.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
So guys, welcome to the channel. I'm by name Odyssey Junior. So in this video, we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Types of affiliate marketing, programs that you can promote, and a lot more questions that have been seen in this channel. So first of all, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a business model at which you, as an affiliate, you go and promote somebody's product and earn a commission. That's simple. So in affiliate marketing, there are things that you need, and the most important thing that you need is to make sale. So once you're able to make sale for a particular company, you get what is called a commission. And that commission can come as a 5% commission, 10% commission, 50% commission, 60% commission, even 70% commission, depending on the company that you are promoting their business for. So guys, the only thing that you need in affiliate marketing is just for you to be able to make sales for the company. If you're able to make sales, you are good to go. To tell you the truth, affiliate marketing is a billion-dollar business model or something of that nature. So guys, all you need in affiliate marketing is just for you to make sales. Let me bring it down to how you understand it the more. So for instance now, a friend saw that you are wearing a good dress or maybe this cap now. One of my friends see that I'm wearing this cap now. He say, hi, this is, I love this your cap. I say, okay, and I bought it from your name. Maybe you can use your name, you understand. I bought it from AA Boutique. So my friend say, okay, I want to buy this thing. I take my friend to AA Boutique. I already meet with AA Boutique and tell him, come, I'm sending my friend to you to buy this cap. If you come, I will collect 5% commission from this cap you are going to sell to my friend. So when AA Boutique see me and my friend, we say, okay, you have come to buy the cap. Okay, my friend will give him, if this cap worth maybe $50, my friend will give him the $50. Then AA Boutique now will give me my own percentage, and that is my commission. You understand? That is my commission. That is the commission that I will get. So AA Boutique will give me my commission. That is affiliate marketing. So if you have been sending your friend to a particular product and they'll be buying that product and you have not been making sales, guys, now is the time for you to start an affiliate marketing business with that product. Start up with this thing now. So some companies that you can promote as a beginner, I would recommend Bluehost. I would recommend something like Amazon Affiliate. I recommend something like ClickBank. But ClickBank is not recommended in all the countries like Nigeria, Pakistan, Bangladesh. Those countries, they don't allow ClickBank for now. The ClickBank don't allow those countries for now. So I recommend something like JVZoo. If you want to promote anything like software and other things, I recommend something like Warrior Plus. So now we are going to be talking about the ad that you need in order for you to be successful in affiliate marketing. So traffic that you need, So to me, the traffic that you need is either you go for the free traffic. If you don't have the money to spend, you go for the free traffic. And free traffic is talking about Facebook, talking about using something like Quora for your promotion, talking about something like using, maybe telling people on your WhatsApp or something of that nature, telling people on Instagram, on Twitter. Those ones are free traffic. So, but if you have the money to spend, you can do something like Facebook ads. So if you want me to do Facebook ads, the way you can run Facebook ads, put it on the comment section below. Just tell me, oh, this is Junior, Facebook, I want to learn Facebook ads. I will tell you how you can promote any of your affiliate marketing or any of your affiliate product using Facebook ad. Then another one is Instagram ads. Another one is WhatsApp ad. Another one is also maybe something like you can do ad in terms of native ads. There's one we call native ads, where you talk about using those native ads are more cheaper than the other ad in terms of Facebook ad and Instagram ad. So you can use something like native ad also to promote your products. So depending on the one that you want, I said three now. I say free traffic, paid traffic. In paid traffic, you have Instagram, you have Facebook, you have native ad also. So these three now, you can use any of them to run your campaign. Depending on if you have the money, you can go for the paid one. But if you don't have the money, go for the free one. But if you go for the paid one, it will be more faster for you. Do you understand? It will be more faster for you because you can't compare free thing and the one that is not free. So free one take some time for you to get things going. But the paid one, start up immediately. You start seeing some things coming here and there, then you start making money for yourself. You still check the link below the video. Check the link below the video. You see some links that I dropped there. They are affiliate link, and them themselves, those links, you don't have anytime you click on them to buy anything, there's no extra charge that's been given to you. Instead of that, most of them you have a discount for using the link. So that is how affiliate link work, or how affiliate marketing work. So my advice to you, if you are starting affiliate marketing today, 3 things that I will tell you, and there are 3 very important things that you need to know. The number 1 is try as much as possible to create a content regarding what you want to promote. Content is very, very important. Even though you want to promote on Facebook, you still need a content. Even though you want to promote on any platform, you need a content. Promote with a content. Give a story regarding what you want to promote, and you see people buying it. People are connected with stories. So the second thing is try as much as possible to know that product that you want to promote. Knowing a product is very, very important. If you don't know the product and you want to just promote to make money, you end up hurting yourself. So know the product very well before you promote that product. That's the number 2. Then the number 3, ensure that the product you are promoting is regarding to the niche or to the audience that you have. So don't promote a product that you just saw that someone is promoting this product and you went on promoting the product. That are the 3 things that you need to do when you want to start up affiliate marketing. First, have a content. Second, know about the product very well. Then third, ensure that you have done your research, that the products will solve the particular need of that your people or that your audience. Then the fourth one, or let me just call it the third one, knowing the audience that you have and the product that you want to promote. Very, very important. These 3 things can help you to make money as an affiliate marketer. Hope these things has helped you, and if you like the video, like it. Then if you have any question, drop it at the comment section, and also check the link below the video if you need anything that will help you. There are a lot of software and there are a lot of free courses that you can check on under the video for things that will help you to grow on your online business. Till I see you some other time, remain blessed. Still Odyssey Junior, sign out. Thank you.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and